Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and this time we have some different thing. As you know that in our travel films and vlogs we need some very great and very useful SFX, and people like Samkolder and JR Ali and some other people, they use some great SFX, and I have bunch of SFX, and I decided to give it to you guys, and we have a link down in description below, and also we are teaching you guys how to use those SFX. So let's move to computer screens. Okay friends, here you can see we have designed our music in the 6 different layers. So this is how you can be creative in music design, and for example we have used bike rolling SFX for windmill clip, so you can be very creative in music designs. Hope you like this video, and hope you use those SFX in very creative way. Thanks for watching.